Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to play cat's cradle by yourself. Start by holding the string loop with your thumbs and pinky fingers, ensuring it's taut. Then, wrap the string around the palm of your left hand. Now, carefully use your right index finger to pick up the string that crosses your left palm. This creates the initial setup for your solo game. Next, transfer the string from your right index finger to your left index finger. With your left index finger, pick up the lower string that runs across your palm. Gently pull your hands apart, keeping the string taut, to reveal the cup and saucer pattern. This is a classic first figure to master. To move to the candles figure, carefully drop the loops from both of your pinky fingers. Now, rotate your hands inward, allowing the strings to twist naturally. Extend your fingers and gently pull your hands apart to stretch the new shape. You should see two distinct candles standing upright. For the diamonds figure, drop the loops from your thumbs. Then, use your index fingers to pick up the central strings, pulling them outwards. This creates a series of diamond shapes. With practice, you can discover many more intricate patterns and enjoy the endless possibilities of solo cat's cradle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.